So hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Enorita. I'm 58 and I'm starting a brand new channel. And I want you to start this channel with me. In my last video, we talked about how to start a YouTube channel and why I'm actually starting this brand new channel. I'll link that video below this video in case you're interested to listen to it. I'm sure you're interested. Listen to it too. It's very interesting. That is to let you know that YouTube channel is not age related. Don't keep telling yourself, I am too old to do this kind of things. You're not. Don't keep telling yourself, I don't know anything about digital products. I don't even know how to manage a computer. Not to talk of how I can record a video and edit it. That is why I'm opening this channel now. It is to take you by the hand. And we will do this YouTube together. The difference between me and others is that I will show you as it is. No camouflage, no lying, no faking. Because there's a lot of faking on social media. I am having a war against fake things. So we are going to do this YouTube together. We are going to see how easy is it really for somebody to start a YouTube channel today in 2025 and actually succeed in it. What are the technical things that you should learn? How do you even go about it? So because now I want to break that thing that is keeping you from starting a YouTube channel. That thing that looks like a very huge wall that does not want you to move and start. We are going to break it. So today, we are actually going to open a YouTube channel. I'm not going to talk too much today. Today, we are going to be working with computer. First, we are going to open a Gmail account. Before you even start a YouTube channel, you need a Gmail account. Because without a Gmail account, you cannot start a YouTube. So we're going to open a Gmail account. And after opening that Gmail account, I'm now going to show you how to get to YouTube channel through that Gmail account you have opened. My videos are going to be short. They are not going to be complicated. Especially for those of you out there that are older than me and you're saying, me, can I open YouTube channel in this my old age? Yes, you can. No. There is somebody that opened the YouTube channel at the age of 80. 80. In fact, it is that video that is making me to start this YouTube channel now. I already have a YouTube channel I've been running for 12 years. Strictly on pattern drafting. But I know how I started. I know how difficult it was for me. I know how strange everything was. I am a research scientist. I'm working and living in Germany. I'm not an IT person. But if I was able to open a YouTube channel and run it till today, I don't see why you cannot do it. That is why I'm opening a new one. To take you by the hand. And to show you that you can do it. You can do it. We can do it together. So, let's go first and let's open a Gmail account. Let's go to my computer. Once you get to Google and you put in Google account, it takes you to this place. You can go ahead and go through how to open a Google account here. But if you don't feel like reading, like me, sometimes I don't feel like reading, let's just go ahead and just open the account. So step one, what do you want to open the account for? You can decide to say I'm opening it for myself or you're opening it to manage a business. It depends on you. But since you're starting out, let's do it for myself. And once you click that, it takes you here. And here you're going to write your first name and your last name. So I'm going to write my first name and I'm going to write my last name. And we're going to go to next. Then I'm going to put basic information here. And then once you're done with that, you go to next. It won't allow me, but so let me just do it. Just put in something there. Put in your gender, and let's go to next. Is that not what I just did? Valid date is September, day, and what is that? What did I go and put there? Okay. So create a Gmail address. Use your email address. Create a Gmail address, yes. And then we go to next. Um, I want to create my own. I don't want to use my name. I want to create a Gmail. And I want to create a Gmail in relation to what I am going to be calling my YouTube channel. Now, to do that, I will go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to put in a prompt for ChatGPT. You can also put in that prompt, to also get an idea of what you're going to be calling your YouTube channel. This is what I gave to ChatGPT. To get to ChatGPT, if in case you don't know what ChatGPT is, you just put in ChatGPT OpenAI on your Google and it takes you here. So this is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. Give me 15 YouTube channel name ideas about a channel about digital tips for the digital entrepreneur, because that is what this my channel is going to be about. It's going to be giving you little tips on how to run your business as a digital entrepreneur. And he gave me all this. So I'm going to just take one of it and I'm going to use it as part of the name for my Gmail. So you can go ahead and put in whatever your channel is going to be about. If it is going to be about cooking, if it's going to be about writing, if it's going to be about home decor, whatever it is that you know how to do, just put it there, here. Just remove these digital tips for digital entrepreneur and put in whatever it is in this prompt. And then ChatGPT will give you some names and then you just choose one and use it as your Gmail. You can always decide not to do that, but I feel that that is how I've been doing it and it works well for me. So now let's go back there. See where we are. Okay. So I'm going to call it so I have to put in my password. I think I have to pause the video here, put in my password, confirm my password, and then we'll continue. After you've done putting your password, you now put in your phone number. Google will send you a code, and that is the code that I'm going to now put because I've already put in my phone number. I didn't want to just put it in public. I put in my phone number. Then Google will send you a code. So I'm going to put in that code 383587. Okay. So once you do that, you click on next. Then you need to put an email address that in case you lose your password or whatever, put in an email. Here you can put in your email address, recovery email address. So I'll just put in my normal email address. Put in my normal email address and then I will do next. Do next. Your choices to turn settings on or off will help tailor the content and add experiences you see. Manual 4 steps. Choose your settings step by step. Your choices to turn settings on will help tailor. You can change your settings anytime, so it doesn't really matter whether you choose step 1 or step 2 because you'll be able to change the settings the way you want. So once you get here, you now accept. cookies and all that. You come down here, you confirm, and then you come down here and you agree. Congratulations. Congratulations. You now have your Gmail account. So that's your Gmail account. That is your Google account, rather, not Gmail. So this is all you have access to once you open a Gmail account. These are everything you have access to. As you can see, you know, you have access to, you can go to Google through your account, go to Google Maps, get to YouTube, which is what is our concern. You have a Gmail. So if you want to get to your Gmail, you just click on that Gmail and it takes you to your Gmail account for this particular account. So turn on smart features. I will do that. In workplace, yes. Turn on smart features in other Google products, yes. Save. Good. Reload. So that is it. Congratulations, you've set up a Gmail account. That's all. I'm not going to talk much in this video again. Just hit yourself on the chest. You've taken one step forward to creating a YouTube account. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we'll actually set up our YouTube account. So you see, clap for yourself. At least you've opened a Gmail account and you have opened a YouTube channel. So the first thing now to do is, what video are you going to post first? But before we do that, watch my first video where I told you how you're going to be posting. Don't crack your head looking for niche yet. Forget all these things you hear on YouTube. Don't look for any niche or anything. Just be yourself. Talk about what you know. Don't go and copy anybody. Talk about what you know, because you have something that you can teach somebody out there. Sit and ask yourself, what do I know? What do I love doing? That thing that you love doing, that is what you're going to talk about in YouTube. That is what you're going to show people how to do. In my channel, I know how to do some digital tips that can help digital entrepreneurs to make their work easy. I can tell you some digital tips on how to create your ebooks, how to use Canva, how to do print on demand, how to, get payment portals to be able to sell your ebook. I know those things, and that is what my channel is all about, is to help people that long to start these businesses, but they are put off by the fact that they feel that it's too digital, it's too this. As I said initially, I am not an IT person. Me, I'm a science person. But I was able to learn. So everything I've learned these 12 years, I want to give it to you. I want to take you by the hand and show you how to do these things. You can do these things. They are not that difficult. Maybe you've not gotten somebody that is patient enough to show you. You can do it. So stay tuned for my next video. I'm not going to tell you what it is all about, but stay tuned for it. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.